Hello everybody and welcome to Living Uniquely You with myself, Sharon Brown. I'm popping in today to bring in the energy of the spirit animal for the week, the parrot. Hope you guys had a great weekend. The parrot general meaning is celebration of all good things in life, having a look at the beauty around you and really taking notice. Also staying alert for new growth and new direction. Hiya Inga. And also speaking your truth. So the message I received from the parrot this morning was pay close attention to your communication skills today. Make sure your words are clear and watch the way you speak them and the intention behind them, and speak them with pure love. So that's the message from the beautiful parrot this morning. Also, he's coming in on the vibration of really speaking your truth. He's really on about us voicing our opinions, but in a loving way and not in a harshness way, and really starting to stand out from the crowd and speak your truth. When I see the parrot, I see the beautiful colours of the parrot, and when you want to really speak your truth, I would call in the parrot and I would put the colours or visualise the colours of the parrot, which is the rainbow colours, going into your throat chakra and just letting the information just flow. Okay, so it's all about trusting and believing in yourself. So I'm going to ground you and bring in this beautiful energy for this week, and really let us harness these energies of speaking our truth. So take a deep breath in and just calling all your energies back. Just calling them all the way back and breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Just calling all the last few bits of your energies back and taking a deep and breathe out. Another deep breath in. And just letting these energies settle into every part of your body, and just acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything. Now bring your awareness to your solar plex. And as you bring your awareness to your solar plex, visualize two big golden roots coming out of your solar plex into your sacral chakra, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor you're standing, and right down into your earth star chakra. Right through your earth star chakra into the ground. Feel your roots wrapping around the core of Mother Earth, and feel your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feel these energies moving all the way up into your Earth Star Chakra, cleansing and clearing your Earth Star Chakra, bringing in the pure balance, the male, the female balance, and bringing in the oneness. Up into your feet, your legs, your hips, your sacral chakra, your solar plex, and into your heart centre. Up into your throat, your third eye, the crown of your head, and right up into your soul star chakra. And feel these energies move through every part of your body and every part of your being. So let these energies settle and just help you become more and more relaxed and more at one with yourself. Now visualise a purple light in your third eye. Don't worry if you can't see it, just imagine it. See this purple light getting bigger and bigger and brighter and brighter. And as it gets bigger and brighter, you're going to step into a beautiful place of nature. Clear blue skies, perfect temperature for you. There might even be a slight breeze. Have a look around. There's beautiful trees, beautiful grass. You might even hear some birds singing in the trees. Flowers. Just have a good look around. You've been here many times before, so this is your safe place. This is where you can come and get the wisdom and the guidance that you need. Now there's a pathway in front of you, and as you walk along the path, looking at this beautiful nature, you come across your oak tree. Beautiful, beautiful big oak tree. And you're going to sit at the base of the oak tree, between the nook and the cranny at the very base of the oak tree, and you're going to place your back across right at the back and lean against this beautiful oak tree. Feel the grounding energy of this oak tree. Just become very comfortable and very relaxed here. And as you're becoming very relaxed and very comfortable, a parrot just flies down and lands right at your feet. So ask the parrot his name. Go with the information you're receiving. Could be any name at all. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful parrot. Look at his colours, or her colours. All the colours of the rainbow. Absolutely very bright, vibrant colours. Beautiful, beautiful colours. He's doing a little turn, or she's doing a little dance for you to look and see how proud they are of their beautiful colours. Okay. Now the parrot's going to place his wings on your throat chakra, and as he places his wings on the throat chakra, he's placing in the energy of clearing. It's clearing anything that is holding you back from speaking your truth. Okay. Anything at all. It can be past lives, it can be timeline stuff, it can be generational. It can be this life, it can be anything at all. It's whatever you need cleared. It can be a bit of everything, I'm being told. Just feel the energies moving around your throat chakra. He's placing one at the front and one at the back. He's pulling off the energy. You're going to feel like a black mass is literally just being pulled off. This is old, old stuff, I'm being told. Just feel the energies moving and moving and moving. Clearing and cleansing, clearing and cleansing. Some of you might feel the sensation. You might even feel a ball at the back of your throat. That's okay. Just let it go. And give yourself permission to let this go. Let it go, let it go. Release, release, release. Somebody holding on to it, so just give yourself permission to let this go. Release, 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 release. Even you might have to cough just to let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. Release, release, release. This is deep, deep stuff. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Cancel, clear, delete, de-story. All the stories that you're telling yourself that you can't speak your truth. All the mirrors. All the fog in front of you. Just release it all today. Let it go once and for all. Release, 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 release. Release, release, release. Okay. Now he's going to pour, or she is going to pour in the beautiful colours of the rainbow into this chakra. And as he pours them in, he's going to give you the energy of freedom of speech. Freedom to speak your truth with pure love. You're going to feel the energy move. Now it's going up into your ear chakras, and it's opening up your ear chakras fully, and it's bringing in freedom and pure love. It's going up into the crown, into your third eye, and it's doing exactly the same, bringing in freedom to see, sense, fully open up your intuitive gifts. To see the pure rainbow colour going into the chakra and giving it a good spin. Now it's going up into the crown of your head, and it's doing exactly the same. Freedom to dream the dreams and to fulfill your dreams and stop overthinking anything. So it's literally just giving this chakra a full spin. It's going up into your soul star chakra, and it's doing the same. It's allowing you to fulfill the freedom to fulfill your soul path, your soul purpose. Okay. Now it's going into your heart chakra, and it's literally, all I'm hearing is allowing your heart to sing, allowing the pure love to come into your life. It's giving this chakra a pure spin. It's going down into your solar plex, and it's giving you the freedom to be who you are, to fully stand in your power, to fully allow yourself to be who you are. This is about giving yourself permission, not anybody else, just yourself permission. Now it's going down into your sacral chakra, and it's giving you the freedom to be creative in all aspects of your life. It doesn't mean art or song, it can be anything at all. Be creative with your business. It's giving you the freedom for this, and to see the beauty all around you. It's going now down into your root chakra, and it's bringing in the freedom to take the steps forward, to make the money that you need to make, allowing yourself to make those steps and movements forward. It's going down into your hips, and it's it's literally bringing in the energy of freedom and allowing yourself of movement. Down into your legs, your feet, and right down into your soul star chakra. Your earth star chakra. And it's just allowing yourself to be fully grounded and be supported by Mother Earth. And when you're supported by Mother Earth, you make decisions from your heart, not from your head. And when we make the decisions from our heart, that's when the magic happens. Okay? It's just allowing yourself to do this. Now this energy is moving through every part of your body and every part of your being. It's going right down to your 12 DNA strand and right down to your cellular memory. And it's just awakening all the energies of freedom and love. It's going right out into every layer of your skin and then right out into your auric field. And in your auric field has just literally turned into the rainbow. You can just see the absolute. And this is being sealed in at your soul star chakra and your earth star chakra, and they're placing you in this bubble, this rainbow bubble of freedom. Okay. So the parrot's going to take a step back. And he's going to give you, or she is going to give you, a few little words of wisdom. So go with the information you're receiving. And he also has a little gift for you today. Be a flower, a sign, a symbol, a feeling, a knowing. It's whatever it is. Okay. So you're going to receive the gift, and this gift you're going to place is going to be placed right into the middle of your heart chakra. So you're going to take this gift down and know that you have this gift from the beautiful parrot today and for the week to help you, or any time at all that you need help to really speak your truth. All you have to do is place your hand on your heart and know that this parrot is with you and will help you to speak your truth. Okay, so he's placing this bubble of rainbow bubble around you for protection, love, guidance, freedom. And you're going to thank the beautiful parrot for all he has helped you with and all he has given you today. You're going to say goodbye whatever way is appropriate for you. And he's going to fly back off. And you're going to gather yourself up from underneath this beautiful tree. And you're going to walk along the path till you get to your purple light. As you walk along the path, you'll see the purple light and you're going to step into it. As you step into it, you're going to step into your third eye. And you're going to step back into yourself, back into the room you're in, and very, very slowly bring your awareness back into the room. I hope you all enjoyed that as much as I did. But remember, just place your hand on your heart chakra if you feel that you can't speak your truth, and the parrot will come and help you and bring in that vibration of freedom. If you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis or in one of my programs, I will put in the link for my self-empowerment calls. I haven't got too many this week or next week because I'm actually quite busy. Thank you very much for watching this, and thank you very much for watching the replay, and have an absolutely magical week. Take care. Bye.